Hey Marie. Yes, Kelly? Have you heard the news about the truck that ran over the deer? Uh, no? Well, I just saw it, on TV about, a goat guy just ran over the deer with a truck. Oh, and does this have something to do with him being drunk? Uh, yeah. And also, why a deer of all things? Maybe this has something to do with the creature from the Native American folklore called Wendigo. Oh, I have heard about that creature. So, does that deer basically a Wendigo in disguise? Well, yeah, but I think it's best to not get drunk while, you know, driving. Yeah, since, you could get arrested for, drinking and driving. Mm hmm. And that's why I just prefer just drinking, healthier drinks than beer. Yep, especially milkshake. Oh, and also soda? Yeah, that and also orange juice. Hmm. And so is water. But isn't water like our weakness? Well, yeah. Okay. I'm sure that, that goat guy didn't get killed by that deer that was actually a Wendigo in disguise. Yeah, especially that you can't mess with the Wendigo while it's disguised as like an innocent animal like a deer. Yeah. Hopefully, I won't have nightmares about that creature from the folklore. I just hope, you know, she wasn't aware about, the other horrifying creature from the folklore, which is the Jersey Devil. What is it, Marie? Never mind. Oh, okay. Maybe I should, find somewhere that could, have some peace and quiet, for me.